Want to be richer than your boss before you turn 30? Sounds interesting, right? It's not. It's actually what most adults regret not doing when they are teenagers. And that's the crazy part. You don't need hours, expertise, or a big salary to fix that. You just need 2 minutes a month. If you are a teenager right now and you probably think investing in something you'll do later, after college, after job, after real income. But here's the truth nobody tells you early enough. Wealth isn't built by big salaries. It's built by starting early and staying consistent. This is where SIP comes in. SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. In simple terms, you invest a small amount every month in mutual funds. No guessing, no tracking, no market timings. You can start with as small as 500 a month, even if that money comes from your pocket money or your part-time work. Let's say you invest 500 every month, starting at age 18. Over 20 years, that small habit can grow you several lakhs. Now, here's the real magic. If you don't stop and simply continue for another 20 years, the growth can move into crores. Not because you invested a lot, but because time kept working for you. Someone starting at 28 will need to invest way more and take more stress and still struggle to catch up. So, how do you begin? Step 1. Open an investment account. Step 2. Choose a simple mutual fund. Step 3. Start SIP with 500 or 1000 a month. Step 4. Most important. Don't stop even if market goes up or down. If you remember just one thing from this video, remember this. Start small, stay consistent, let the time handle the compounding. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to begin. Be that teenager who doesn't just dream of freedom, but actually funds it. This is how wealth really begins.